have arrived at the next destination. Oh gosh, it was a bit of a journey here, but we have finally arrived. I can't wait to show you this room. It's more than what I expected. It's beautiful. Chef's kiss. Let me just quickly show you around because I'm gonna go and grab lunch after this. So I need to quickly give you a little tour of the situation before I go. Let me turn the camera around. As we enter, this is the bathroom. I'm in love. Very futuristic, very Huong black and gold. This mirror is a vibe. It's a very aesthetic feel. I'm feeling this shower and this toilet. This is quite a cute situation. They have loads and loads of chain. It's like some kinky BDSM vibe. I'm feeling it. I don't know what that logo in the middle was saying. And then, this is the bedroom. I need to open up the curtains. This is very dark at the moment. When you want to make love, baby. What I love about this is you press this button. Let me show you. It is automatic. It feels very nice and bougie. Can we just take a moment and have a look at this bed setting? It is a vibe. Very expensive. But look! You can see if you're having some kinky sex. You can see and watch yourself from up above. Starfish. If you want to have sex, hello. Watch me from behind. And then this side we've got the TV, we've got the wardrobe, we've got a safe, we've got a mini fridge. And let me just show you this view. I just made a fool of myself earlier on. I tried to exit this, not knowing the glass is so clear that I couldn't even see that they have double doors. But this is cute, right? Outside here is very, very cute. I love the setting. The chair is very futuristic. And this is our view. So the view of the city. I think the pool is all the way upstairs. There is a lot of construction going on. And we've got a little mirror here. Hello, boys. You want to come to the yard? We're staying here for the next 4 days before we move on to another hotel. But anyway, I'm gonna leave now and try and find lunch. It's been such a beautiful day today. Just wandering around town, trying to find my bearings. We are in the area called St. Julian's. I've just literally had Costa coffee. Nothing feels like home unless you have some European coffee. Look at this bay. It's so pretty. This is the more posher area of Malta. We're gonna go head back to the hotel and I'll show you guys around St. Julian's, and we're gonna also find lunch around here. Literally, it feels like Chinatown. There is a whole strip full of Asian food, and you know how I feel about that. Girl is in like Asian heaven at the moment. Cloudy! This is not right for Malta. It's meant to be baking hot. The love is in the air. Take a look at this view. This is called Spinola, and my friend has advised me that there is a restaurant right there called Ganulu. That's meant to be one of the top Maltese restaurants, so we have to dine there one evening. This strip at night time, it lights up and it's so beautiful. It comes alive during the night time. I love like watching boats being by the water. Literally just the water, and you've got like a little paving step here. We're trying to cross all the way over there. So I'd be careful because there's so many mirrors in here. I'm like stuck ass naked here. Oh my god, I'm going on a date today, and I'm like, oh, should I be doing this while I'm on holiday? Hey, yeah, I only live once. If I get murdered, you guys will be the last one that I reported to. So we're gonna go and have sushi. I mean, I'm meeting him in a safe, like, public location. Nothing to be concerned about, hopefully. So I'm gonna have a shower, and then we're gonna put on a bit of makeup. We got literally under an hour to get ready, so it's a bit like cray-cray. That's never like me, but hey, YOLO. And we are finally ready. I decided to wear something really casual, my green top with white shorts. I feel a bit bloated. I don't feel attractive as I could be. You know when you're feeling a bit fat and bloated, you're like, oh. It is the weekend. Why stay at home? I am going to make my journey now. Ooh, it's exciting. I'm feeling a bit nervous as well. This location is the vibe because literally everyone's queuing out here. So lively here. Can you hear the music pumping? Oh my god, look at the lashes hanging off for dear life. I didn't come back home until like 2 AM last night. Ooh, what a night. We literally had dinner. Oh my god, this guy is so freaking cute. He is an aeroplane engineer. Aerobatic. He's not aerobatic. Aerobatic is when they do like the freaking jumps and hoops and everything. He's in the aeroplane industry basically, and he's an engineer. He's got a really good job. He's just really super talented. And he was such a cute looking guy. Such a gentleman. He said that, do you like sushi? I know a really good place to go and have sushi. Oh my god, you guys can't take me seriously with these lashes poking down like this, right? So yesterday he was like, do you like sushi? And I was like, oh my god, a guy that likes Asian food like like, give it to me. And he was like, I know a really good place that does sushi. Do you want to go and have sushi? And I was like, okay, why not? He sent me the location and the name of the restaurant. He's silly me thinking, okay, I'll go on my Google map and I type in the name of the restaurant and I went to that location. And I was messaging him. I'm like, where are you? Where are you? And he was like, I'm outside. So I'm outside. Let me go inside. And he was like, are you inside? I'm inside. Cut a long story short, there was 2 restaurants that's under the same name. So they have 2 different branches. And I went to this other branch and then he went to the other branch. Because he sent me the location, he didn't think that I would get it wrong. I would simply just press the button on the location and it will take me to that restaurant. But obviously I went to Google Map and typed in the name of the restaurant and it gave me the closest one. I was like standing there, I was like thinking, oh my God, is this guy gonna stand me up? He's standing from afar to see if I look okay before he comes and say hello. So all these thoughts, and I'm like, am I getting stood up? Because I'm literally here and he's not here and he's saying he's outside. So I'm like fucking thinking a load of bullshit. No, he was actually a really nice guy. See, this is me, like all the bad thoughts go through my head. We was the last one to leave the restaurant. We was there talking for such a long time. The only problem is English is not his first language, but he was pretty good. There was like an accent and he couldn't articulate himself as much as he wanted to, but it wasn't like bad English. You can tell that he's a very intelligent guy. Take your mind out of the gutter. He did not come back and sleep in the hotel. Because I'm staying in Pashaville, he was like, do you want to go and grab a drink? He ordered so much food as well and he was like so generous, because I was like, oh, let's just order the smaller platter. I'm not feeling that hungry. He was like, no, I think it's always better to have loads of options or a variety. Just take your time. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable. Eat whatever you want. Don't think about the price. He ordered like a bottle of champagne. Really nice, generous guy, I guess. We went to one of the bars near mine. I'm just feeling the worst for wear at the moment. He said he really wanted to see me again and I think he's such a nice guy. I'm just going on dates for the fun sake of it, not to meet anyone, if you understand what I mean. So he's sounded like he was more into it, wanting to see if it could go somewhere. I'm gonna be realistic. I don't think it's gonna go nowhere. He lives in Malta. I'm all the way in fucking the UK. Maybe I'm just thinking too much in it and just have fun, girl. Yeah, that's how the night ended for me. I am going to find breakfast and then after breakfast I'm gonna come back here, put a bit of makeup on, and then we're gonna go to the pool upstairs. I'm gonna relax, read a book, sunbathe all day. Just want to show you guys the lobby. This hotel is so cute. You know, the decor is so my vibe. And look at that big screen. So we are going to grab breakfast, which is on the first floor. I'm staying at the hotel called the Huongxo Hotel. So I'm gonna have a coffee. It's been such a long time since I've had like breakfast by myself, so it feels like a bit alien here. Everyone's like in couples and eating together and I'm sitting here talking to the camera. I've ordered myself a latte and there's like a buffet that's available. For the last like 5 days I've been having English breakfast, which is not good for my freaking stomach. We are on holiday, we're gonna enjoy ourselves. We are gonna get freaking fat. I was anticipating to be a nice quiet day yesterday, but somehow the plans have all changed. I think because this area is so much more younger, there's so many people out and about, it's just so much more lively in comparison to the area that I was at before, which was in Goza. Let me just show you the breakfast options available. We've got some juice, yogurts, pastries and some hot food, and we have like an omelette station around here, bread, and we've got some ham, cakes and fruit salad. So a very simple breakfast. COVID time, you can't actually serve yourself, so you have to have someone pick up the items for you. Obviously different countries have different rules. At least this is really hygienic. It's so nicely, neatly presented. I've also got an omelette. I'm waiting for that at the moment. So we are going to tuck in. We've come up to the rooftop. I wanted to show you the pool. They have like a little DJ booth. This is the upstairs. I'm gonna go downstairs and get my bikini on. We're literally gonna be up here and sunbathe all day. They have like an indoor space in there. I think there's also like a bar that's available. We got a DJ booth, so you never know. They might be playing some upbeat tunes. It is so breathtaking and the sky is literally so blue. Across here we have like a shopping mall. Pashaville is literally just there. That's the strip where all the clubs are. Let me just give you like a 360 view of where I'm staying. So we have like a rooftop bar up here. My spot right now. I'm just laying here sunbathing. Amazing. I decided to have a cocktail, strawberry and cream. Cheers. Such a fabulous day outside, just sitting by the pool. Got my tan on. I feel very golden. Doesn't the sun make you feel so good when you have a nice glowing tan? You're like, I'm a badass bitch. This room is just so freaking amazing. Everything's like so high tech. So when you enter in the room, automatically this opens. And when you exit the room, automatically all the curtains, everything closed. So every time you enter back in here, it's like a black dungeon BDSM room. Let me just give you a bit of history regarding to this hotel. The hotel that I'm staying in is called the H Hotel. H stands for Hugo. And Hugo, he's a mafia. He used to be one of those gang. He had loads of followers. He created this whole entire town. You'll find that there's a lot of bars, restaurants, and like strip clubs. It all has his logo and his name on it. He died around about 3 years ago. You know, because he's into drugs, sex, and all the kinky shit. That is the reason why there's a lot of things that is associated with sex. You wouldn't expect any less from him. So he's got like the chain. I can see some people getting up to some kinky shit in here. Yesterday, I was like laying on myself, looking at myself in all sorts of angles. If I had a man right here, ooh, we would be doing some naughty, naughty, naughty shit. I was speaking to my sister. I was like, I'm going to Malta. And she's like, you're going to Malta again? And today she called me and she was like, I have a question to ask you. And I was like, yeah. I want to go to Malta. She asked me, should she go to Malta? When she was the one that's saying to me, you're going to some dry ass place. Now, look, who's asking who? I have to say, if you go to the right location, Malta, it can be a lot of fun, stay in the right hotel. I'm going on loads and loads of dates. I'm not saying anything on my social media, but you guys, my YouTube family, know that I'm going on dates. And there are some cute men. And I don't think there's many options of women around here. This evening, we got another date. Going on a coffee date, and then we're gonna take a walk around. I literally got 30 minutes to get ready. Girl needs to put on some cake and leave. This guy, he is an expat. He lives in the UK, but he's currently in Malta at the moment. See, with the guy that I dated yesterday, he was Spanish, I believe. He's been here for 3 years, and I can't see us having a future. But this guy, this potential, he went to the same university as me. Can you believe, like, how small the freaking world is? Like, we went to the same uni as each other. We somehow matched with each other on the other side of the world. When you're traveling alone, you have so many options, and like, I'm sitting at the pool, like, wondering, any single men sitting out there, trying to look cute in my sunbathing suit, fluttering my eyes. Do you like what you see? They're probably thinking, what's this sad loner sitting in the corner? I've got literally 5 minutes to spare and I have to walk down there. This is typical me thinking, I got enough time. And I'm sitting here watching YouTube and doing non-shenanigan stuff. Girls feeling very summery. I love it when I wear white. I went for very neutral makeup. Feeling kind of cute. Hopefully he'll be impressed. I am feeling so shattered and tired from that freaking little date. I've become an old grandma. My eyes are closing at 10 p.m. The date was okay. Just felt that there wasn't much chemistry there, and he was trying to suggest to stay out a bit later. I'm an old grandma now. Time for my bedtime. I need to go and quickly grab that sunbed, because every single day it's been jam-packed at that sunbed. It's all going to be gone by the time I finish breakfast. I'm wearing pink. Pink to make the boys wink. I don't know why I'm in such a happy mood. Girl was like feeling like strutting her stuff in the mirror. Can you see that from behind? For another morning with an English breakfast over here. It is gonna be a very calm day today. Can you guys see my tan? I literally developed it all yesterday. I was sitting and baking by the sunbed, but we're gonna continue that on today. Holiday is just gonna be nice and relaxing, and I don't wanna do much. Good morning. That never gets old. I just love it that I press that one button and... Can I have an advanced husband that knows how to do that shit? This bed arrangement where like, I can do the stars. We are at the pool again because I just want to relax and do nothing. Moving hotel in around about 2 days time, so it's not long left. I'm living my best life. You guys seem to think that someone is here with me. I'm a sad, lonely soldier. I've got a friend that lives in Gozo, so I was there for 5 days and I spent it with them. Now I'm just on my own. I went on a date yesterday. In my mind, I was envisioning so many things, like it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be fun. When it came down to it, I think the chemistry wasn't there. I felt like I was literally just chatting away and the person was just being really quiet. You know, when you're totally polar opposite. My last day at this hotel, I would really recommend if you wanted to come here. It is one of like the main hotspots in St. Julian's. If you're young, you're vibrant and you want to party and you want a lively environment, I would definitely recommend this hotel. The only thing about this hotel is it is only adult. It is such a vibe on this little patio. The only thing that's really disappointing about this area is all the freaking cranes. You'll see there's so many cranes everywhere. Everywhere you turn around, there is one. I'm like trying to block that view. And I'll show you the scenery around here. I'm going to be trying careful not to slip in the damn pool. We've got St. George's Beach just down there. Do you feel like you're living vicariously through me? Look how beautiful and spectacular this is. For the past couple of days, I haven't been having dinner. The sun just literally wears you out. I feel so tired and exhausted by the time that I'm back from my little sun tanning spree. Today, I burnt my backside. It is so freaking tender to the touch. I'm sitting on my bed. My bum is pulsating. It feels like it's got a pulse. It feels like it's got a heartbeat. And I'm just like, ah! Shows I got a big butt because that's the highest point in my body is red and raw. Quite a few people on my dating profile has asked me if I'm a man. How the hell do you prove this? And I hate having to verify myself. I fit in the stereotype where I'm Asian. They're asking what genital parts I've had or did I have. It puts me off instantly and I'm like, I don't want to date you. I don't want to talk to you. I also feel that if you have changed your gender into a woman, you are now considered as a woman. I don't feel that you need to disclose that information until it becomes serious, until it leads to that department. You have the right to be whoever you want to be. Today is the last day that we are going to be in this hotel. Tomorrow we gotta pack up and leave and we're going to another hotel, baby, which is only like 5 minutes down the road. I am craving for sushi. It's around about 5 minutes away from the hotel. Girl's gonna get her sushi freak on. We have managed to locate the restaurant. I remember having sushi here and I really liked it. I went to 2 places to try and get some sushi, but they were all fully booked. So we have resorted to ordering a takeaway and eating it alone in my hotel suite. This is as good as life is gonna get. Bit sad doing this when you're on holiday. I'm getting my sushi fix. Let me show you what I got. This looks hella sexy. I got some seaweed salad, chicken skewers, and a whole load of sushi, all for myself. This is gonna be an epic night, okay? After this food coma, girl can sleep peacefully. We spent the whole entire morning packing. I don't know why I left everything to the last minute. This is typical Huong for you. I have to check out at 12 and it's 12:15. We are leaving this gorgeous hotel. Oh, I loved you so much. You were so good to me. On to our next adventure. My hotel check-in is not until 3 p.m. So we're literally just sitting here, putting our makeup on, one staring at me, but home, we're just gonna do it. We have arrived at the next destination in St. Julian's. I'm so excited to continue my trip to Malta. But I thought I'd end my vlog here because I think I have more than enough content for this week's vlog. And we'll continue this trip next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog and enjoyed the journey with me on holiday. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me in all my other social media platforms and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.